G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's here today with a Blacksmith Camping Supplies clear top drawer bag in the small size. This is a really handy sized drawer bag with an internal divider and a PVC lining, easy to clean, made tough, and the perfect storage for just about anything in the back of your four-wheel drive. And before we jump into all the features, weights and dimensions, now it weighs just under 600 grams, 590 grams as it is here at the moment, and it measures widthways or lengthways, however you want to look at it, 46 centimeters, 26 centimeters across this way, and about 16 centimeters in height. And it comes in two different colors. This is the black with a gray interior, but you also get it in a khaki canvas with a black interior, so whatever suits your setup. Now, this is an all Australian-made product. Wherever they can, they've sourced Australian-made materials to put this together. So the canvas that this is made of is a 370 GSM Dynaproofed Australian-made canvas. So the black and the green, both canvases are an Australian-made canvas. Now the top is a 0.5mm UV stabilised outdoor blind grade PVC. Now this isn't Australian-made. It's actually the one they get at the moment is a Japanese made product. That's just for a quality control measure that they've done that there. And inside is a 680 GSM ripstop PVC tarpaulin. So this grey material here is the PVC that we're talking about, and that's also an Australian product there. It's all put together with a coarse spun polycotton thread. So all of these threads throughout here are a really durable quality thread. So it's not just put together with good materials. Good materials are used to sort of bind it all together as well. And the zipper is a YKK zipper. So really durable, easy to use zipper that's going to last years and years. The webbing here is a 38mm nylon webbing, and that runs right around the base of the bag here and up each side. So the weight's not just distributed on the stitching points here, it's distributed right around the base of the bag. And then at this end of the bag here, you do have a grab handle too, so that makes it easy to put in and out of your car if you like, pulling it under a shelf in the back of a four-wheel drive. The straps come up over the top and they meet just neatly on the top there, so it's not too long if you're carrying it by your side, doesn't hang down really low, but it's not so short that it's really tight across the top. It's a nice comfortable carry there. I'll just put it down on the table here and just show you inside how this divider works. Now the lid pivots right back on the back edge here, so it folds all the way back, and inside here is an adjustable PVC divider. Now this is bound around the edges by a nylon webbing or a nylon binding, and there's a sort of a padded patch inside there. You don't have to use this, you can use the bag as it is there if you like, but this hook panel here lines up with the loop strip across the side here, and that goes from one end to the other, so you can put this in at any point you like inside the bag to stay organised. So if you've just got a few things you want to put at the end there and some longer things, you can do that, or put it sort of halfway in between. Now I've grabbed a bunch of random things here just to throw in there to sort of give you an idea on what may fit inside these bags. So this is a, I don't know what size kettle that is, about 2-point-something litre kettle, but that fits nice and neatly inside there. Got a couple of fry pans here. I mean, this is I grabbed a heavy fry pan. This is a skillet or a cast iron skillet, a little bit wider than the bag itself, and I probably just need to adjust this a little bit to kind of make that fit in there. If I want to protect the kettle, I just kind of need to, I mean, that doesn't even have to sit fixed on that side there. It can just sit like that to protect the kettle, and that fry pan fits in there. I'll grab a few other bits. This is a billy. How big is this billy? 3-litre billy. That fits, well, it's probably not going to quite fit upright. We'll see if we can do that up, but it's probably actually going to fit better sideways like that. A couple of mugs in there as well. This is probably a strange combination of things that would fit in there at the moment. But I just wanted to give you an idea of how it kind of all fits in there and how neatly it carries. Now that fry pan felt really heavy, but that makes it all sit nice and neatly and nice and easy to carry there. So you fit tons of gear in there. You might be able to fit various tools and things if you like. Let's just take them out. We'll put maybe a snatch strap. I think I've got a snatch strap down here. Here we go. We fit recovery kit. It's going to fit in there pretty easily. A couple of guy ropes. We'll take that kettle out. We can might adjust this so that it divides in the middle there. Push that down. Hammer can go in the end there. Some inox spray easily fits inside. Now, benefit of putting a lot of this stuff in here, we've got tools and that sort of thing. There's still tons of room inside that bag there. If we do happen to get a bit of a greasy spill in here, or if we do use it for food or whatever, this PVC is really easy to clean. And it also means there's actually two layers all around this bag here. So you've got the PVC and then the canvas on the outside. So you've got really tough material. So if you have got, say, this hammer sort of bouncing around in here, it's got 2 layers that it's got to work through before you get a hole in the bag. And even if you do get a hole in these bags, they're still perfectly functional, even if there is a pinhole in there, because the canvas itself is really tough. It's not just going to sort of fall apart. So really durable bags for storage for just about anything in a 4-wheel drive. Make up your kit with a number of these or different sizes of these, and you can have a modular system that sits in the back of your 4-wheel drive, your van, your caravan, whatever. Easy to store, nice and durable, going to protect all your gear. It's going to protect the surface that it's on as well from things bouncing around and damaging it. Check these out online at snowies.com.au where you'll find them at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest and greatest information. Check out some other videos like this one down here.